Hi you guys, today I'm going to be showing you this U-part wig from Luvme Hair. It's a Brazilian body wave in 20 inches. It also came with this nice black flat iron. I think this is so cute and sleek. It also came with a wig cap inside that you can use for frontals or your closure wigs. And inside of this cute little purple baggie is a comb that you can use. Also some bobby pins, a little pin that says Luvme, super cute. Then it comes with some tweezers. And then last but not least, a headband and some blonde clip-ins that you can use to put in your U-part. And this is the wig straight out of the box, you guys. They also did give me a promo code. So if you would like 20% off your next order, it'll be in this description box below. But yeah, this hair is so soft. I run my fingers through it. It has minimal shedding. Now the construction, it has clips on each side and one in the middle. And it also has one at the bottom for extra security. I ended up getting two wigs. This one is in 12 inches though. I wanted to get both so that I could switch it up, you know, do either long or short. They're both constructed the same with clips at the top and also at the bottom. This one is also straight out the box as well. And now you guys are going to be seeing me put the U-part wig on now and putting on the first one that's 20 inches. Now the wig fits pretty snug on my head, and I like that the clips are very secure, especially at the top. Underneath, I just braided my hair down, and now I'm using the comb to just comb everything out and make sure, you know, all the flyaways and stuff are down. And I wanted to go ahead and try out the flat iron. Now I will say that the flat iron, it didn't really do its job. I will say it got hot, but for me, it didn't get hot enough. Maybe I should have took smaller pieces, but it just wasn't doing the job for me. The wig itself is fine, but the flat iron, it's okay. So after I realized, you know, it wasn't, you know, doing that much of a job and the ends weren't straight, I just went back in with my regular cheap flat iron. I feel like with my regular flat iron, I could just take bigger pieces and get them straighter. With the other one, I feel like I would have to use smaller pieces. So now you guys are just going to watch me straighten my hair. And now that I am done, I'm going to go ahead and take this olive oil hair polisher and put it all on the wig. I like to use this stuff after I'm done flat ironing my hair just to make sure that all the flyaways are gone, and it smells really good, and I just love the way it makes my hair feel. Now, I did say this hair was 20 inches. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys where it comes down on me, about like mid-waist. So it does look long on me considering how short I am, but now I'm just going to move on to blending my leave out with my U-part wig. I went ahead and added some Got To Be spray just to make sure that everything at the top stays in place, because sometimes my hair can get a little bit out of control. So after that, I'm just going to brush it down to make sure that it stays in place. And that's pretty much all that I need to do to blend everything in. Now off camera, I went ahead and added some curls to it. I like it better curled than when it is straight, but I love this hair, you guys. It's so cute. And I also went ahead and added the clip-ins as well. If you wanted to add a little bit of color in yourself, you can. I prefer it black though, but it's still cute. Now I also wanted to show you guys what the 12-inch look like. So now you guys are going to be seeing me put it on. I'm basically going to repeat the same process that I did with the first wig by straightening it and making sure that my leave out blends.
Let's make them guns, boy.
And that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to use my promo code in the description box. Hope you guys love the tutorial. See you guys next time.